Have you seen the French movie Taxi 3? In a scene, a car transforms into a snowmobile within seconds. Quick Connect provides a comparable experience. Their system transforms standard wheels into tracks, elevating the car by 18 centimeters. They assert it's the simplest and quickest installation globally, allowing you to switch from 4 wheels to tracks in under 3 minutes. Additionally, their X-shaped design is effective on both snow and ice. The Quick Connect system is available for purchase at $112,000. Autosock covers may appear unnecessary initially, especially when considering classic options like chains and high-quality winter tires. However, their effectiveness is notable, with even ambulances utilizing them. These covers work well on forklifts, buses, and heavy trucks. The key lies in the textile material that securely grips snow and ice, offering excellent traction, even on icy mountain roads. Additionally, the installation of Autosock is remarkably easy, taking just 3 minutes to get you ready to go. A set of 2 covers is available for approximately $104. Devoted winter fishing enthusiasts greatly appreciate these substantial skis. According to the manufacturer, this enhancement significantly facilitates the transportation of trailers to fishing locations, and ATVs can even be employed for towing. Every detail is meticulously designed, with the skis measuring 104 by 41 centimeters alongside a straightforward wheel design. A pair of these skis is priced at $925. Additionally, there is a more intricate ski designed for the tow hitch, measuring 104 by 51 centimeters, and it is available for $860. Seasucker, comprising snowboarders, fishermen, and experienced cyclists, understands the challenges of transporting equipment such as fishing rods and skis. Hence, they've developed specialized racks, extending their offerings to include racks for boats. However, our focus today is on their car racks designed for skis and snowboards. Take a look at the Pallavicini model, capable of accommodating up to 4 snowboards or 2 pairs of skis. This rack securely attaches to metal, glass, and fiberglass surfaces. For added versatility, the classic model is handy in the summer for carrying fishing rods. The Pallini model is priced at $375, while the classic version comes at $425. Wrap it up with the Stormseeker lighting system, available in both diode and halogen versions, providing a 180 degrees solid illumination. Consider the Stormseeker H halogen headlights. They shine 35% brighter and cover 36% more distance than conventional headlights. Obtain this convenient ice scraper for a mere $117, simplifying winter car care effortlessly. This enhanced version connects to your car's cigarette lighter, rapidly warming up for efficient ice removal. The scraper cable extends to a length of 4.5 meters, ensuring easy reach, and the integrated LED light guarantees effective ice removal day or night. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.